Oracle is finally winning in the cloud, but it's not leaving its old tactics behind. Yes, Oracle Cloud is growing fast, 27% year over year. They're pouring billions into data centers, demand is up. But behind the scenes, Oracle is still squeezing customers the old-fashioned way. Case in point, Java. In 2023, Oracle flipped Java SE to a per-employee subscription model, not per user, not per device. Every employee on your payroll, even if only 5 use Java. That move sent costs soaring. Gartner reported 2 to 5x price increases for the same Java footprint. Then came the enforcement. Oracle launched aggressive Java audits even against mid-sized firms. They're not targeting just the big players anymore. Surveys show what most customers really think. Over 80% plan to abandon Java by 2026 rather than keep paying Oracle's Java tax. Meanwhile, Oracle's cloud team is pushing hard for new commitments, and reps are under pressure to hit OCI quotas fast. So here's the real trend. Oracle's cloud story is booming, but its licensing behavior hasn't changed. If anything, it's gotten worse. At Redress Compliance, we help clients defend against this. We've led Java audit responses, reversed 7-figure claims, and designed clean exit strategies, all while minimizing spend and exposure. Oracle's growth is real, but so is the risk of getting locked into inflated, outdated licensing models. Visit redresscompliance.com. Let's build a strategy where you control the contract, not Oracle.